Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I want to show you guys one of those things that I do on my off days. Okay, I do this at least once in a month, and this is me making the oat flour that we use at home. So we usually buy this 50 pounds of oats from the wholesale store, like the restaurant depot, and we blend it ourselves and pour into a very big jar, and we use this in making our oatfufu. I also use this to thicken soups. I use it in baking and just so many other things. Okay, so in today's video I want to show you guys that process and just talk to you guys as I blend the oats. So first of all, oats is very good for the body. It helps in weight management because it has lots of fiber. So it helps you to manage your weight, because when you eat oat fufu, you feel full for a longer period of time. Oat is also good for people with diabetes, because oat has very low glycemic index, so it releases sugar slowly into the bloodstream. It also helps in digestive health because of its fiber content. It helps you move your bowel, so it helps in number 2. Oats also helps with cholesterol levels because it contains beta glucan fiber, which helps to lower the LDL cholesterol level. So there are so many benefits of eating oats, okay, or incorporating oats into your meal, and I don't want to go through all of that. I don't want to bore you guys with all of that. Anyway, this is a very boring task for me because it's very repetitive. So whenever I do this, I just put a music, or I listen to something on YouTube, or I just call a friend and stay on the phone while I blend this oats. So I usually like to blend until I fill this very big jar. This is the animal crackers jar that we bought for our kids, and as a Ninja babe, now we don't throw away used containers, we reuse them. And this glass jar here, I'm filling it because I use this for making oatmeal for my kids. Okay, they love oatmeal, so whenever I want to make oatmeal for them, I take from that glass jar. And this was after almost like 30 minutes to 1 hour of blending this oats flour, guys. And one thing, you have to have a very strong blender to blend this oats. This blender is Ninja. It is not sponsored, but it's a very good blender and it's very large, so I used it and it makes everything easy for me. At this point I was done. I was just cleaning the table and everything. And at this point, do not cover the oats because it is still very hot, so let it sit like this open for about 1 to 2 hours before you cover the jar. Here I'm going to show you guys how I make the oat fufu using the homemade oat flour. I just boil water, and when the water boils, I just start putting the flour and stirring at the same time until I achieve my desired consistency. I like to make my oat flour myself because I'm sure of the content. I feel like the people that sell oat flour, that they mix it with something else. I'm just that paranoid. I like to make my oat flour myself. And if you've been watching my video, you always see this kettle on my stove top. I like to have water in this kettle, and you see when I pour water into the oats to cook it for about 5 minutes. So that's one of the functions of that kettle that is always on my stove top. And this was after about, I think, 3 to 4 minutes of cooking this oats, and I'm going to stir it for the last time, and it is ready to be enjoyed. I also prepared a very delicious vegetable soup, which I'm going to post the recipe very soon, so watch out for that video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next one.